Got a talent for baking? Then become a wonder in the kitchen and turn those recipes into delicious cakes and pastries with our Advanced Diploma in Baking and Cake Decorating Level 3. Take the first steps towards continued education in the baking industry, or set up your very own bakery with this program that will provide you with a recognised qualification and teach you fondant icing techniques and layer creation, how to prepare cakes, what to include in your portfolio to attract customers. Learn the steps to start a baking and cake decorating business and how you can work as a self-employed specialist. Understand your job opportunities and discover the latest trends, trickiest techniques, and master the skills needed to become a highly reputed baker. When you join Global Edulink, you get to enjoy a range of benefits, such as our NUS Extra Discount Card, e-learning materials, and excellent student support when you sign up with us, so that you can enjoy learning easily from your home. All our programs are fully accredited. Enroll on our program and start setting up your business.